अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Respected teachers and the children, we are going to start the page of planner of day 15. We will start with English. In English, we have done two pages 17 and 19. Read aloud the sound of E. ऊंची आवाज में हमने ई का साउंड पढ़ना है. ई का क्या साउंड है? ए. ई प्रोनाउंस लाइक ए. ई ए ई ए. ई ए एलिफेंट. ई की क्या आवाज है? ई ए एलिफेंट. ई ए एलिफेंट. रीड अलाउड विद मी. ई ए एलिफेंट. Children, say aloud, E a elephant. E a eraser. E a eraser. Read with me, E a eraser. Children, read aloud, E a eraser. E a eraser. E a eggplant. E a eggplant. E a eggplant. Read aloud. The sound of E is a. Egg. E a eggplant. E a eggplant. Teacher notes. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. टीचर आज बच्चों से फोनिक्स के साथ सुनेंगी और दोबारा से कल इनको याद करवाएंगी. जनरल नॉलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हु डिजाइंड आवर नेशनल फ्लैग? हु डिजाइंड आवर नेशनल फ्लैग? हमारा कौमी परचम किसने बनाया? हु डिजाइंड आवर नेशनल फ्लैग? चिल्ड्रन, हु डिजाइंड आवर नेशनल फ्लैग? रीड अलाउड. Amiruddin. Who designed our national flag? Amiruddin. Read aloud with me. Who designed our national flag? Amiruddin. Now, conversation. Question number 1. What is your school name? Children, what is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. Read with me. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. Question number 2. What is your principal name? Children, what is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunain. What is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunain. Children, read with me. What is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunain. Now we will going to start the poem. So let's start the poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Now read aloud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Dictionary words. Arm. Arm. Bazu. Read aloud. Arm. Point on your arm. Arm. Hold your arm, children. Hold your arm. Arm. Bazu. Read aloud with me. Arm. Bazu. Now the second one is pillow. पिलो, जिस पे आप सोते हैं, सर रखते हैं, पिलो, तकिया. What is it? Pillow. Read aloud with me. Pillow, तकिया, pillow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions and the dictionary words today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Teachers, बच्चों को ये तमाम क्वेश्चंस और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स अच्छे से याद करवाएं और दोबारा कल सुने. पेज नंबर 18. E. Children, concentrate how I am going to write this one. E. Draw a standing line. Now draw 3 sleeping lines. Draw a standing line. Now draw 3 sleeping lines.
Now let's learn how to write E. One standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line, another sleeping line, one standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line, another sleeping line.
Now this one the new thing. Tell the name of the pictures. हमने इन पिक्चर्स के नाम बताने हैं. What is it? Dolphin. What is it? Dolphin. This one, the picture of elephant. What is its name? Elephant. What is the name of this? Aeroplane. Read aloud with me. Aeroplane. Children, what is it? Aeroplane. This one is bus. This is the picture of bus. Read aloud with me. Bus. What is it? Bus. What is it? Bus. What is it? Cab. This is the picture of cab. So we will read aloud. Cab. What is it? Cab. Now this one. What comes between? What comes between? इनके दरमियान में क्या आता है? What comes between A and C? We will read aloud A, B, C. So we will write B over here. Now what will comes between B and D? C. So we will write C. And what will come between C and E? It's D. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School.